How to use WhatsApp. New to WhatsApp? Hi everyone, this is Rose and let me walk you through the basics. Open WhatsApp. Sign in. Tap plus icon at bottom right to open new chats. Tap new contact at top of your screen. Then enter the new contact's credential, that is the first name, last name, country and the device where you want to save. Then you can tap on save button and start chatting with that user. So after you have added contact, you can easily go to the chats and then tap on the new chat icon at bottom right and easily open a chat. Type your message in the text box and you can easily tap on the green arrow next to it. This will send a message. You can even select the paperclip icon on the message box and send the photos, location, contact, documents, audios, and the poll to these users. To block a contact, you can easily open the chat. Long press on that user. Tap three dots at top right and select the block option. Tap on block. Once you block this user, this contact cannot call or send you messages. This contact will not be notified with this. If you wish to update your status, you can tap on the status or updates icon at bottom left corner. Tap my status at top left. Tap on the new or the camera icon at bottom right corner of your screen and choose any picture or image or video to add on your status. You can edit it and tap on the arrow at bottom right corner of your screen. If there is any views, you will see the number of views. So these are all the basic tips of using WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.